Leo ascendants. Although Mars is your yoga karaka, Mars is your 4th lord and 9th lord, and Ketu is your 4th co-lord. So it should be good being in your ascendant. And I have seen so many of the clients who are Leo ascendant with Mars there in ascendant, and they are quite successful. But in this very time, you are very hot tempered, and there might be many things, there might be many people who brought bad luck to you, who misbehaved with you, who destroyed your mental peace, and you tolerated them for so long. And now Mars Ketu conjunct is there in your ascendant, and you express yourself. No, don't express. There is no need. Whoever is whichever kind, they will be that type only. So there is no need to express. There are people who will always insult you, always try their best to insult you, humiliate you, because they feel insecure about you. Whatever you have, they feel insecure about you, and they will do that. There is no need to be harsh on anyone. But there is something good also about don't drive fast. So many things will happen very fast in your life now, Leo ascendants. So many things which could have brought you happiness, but those things were not happening. Some religious things also. You wanted to make a temple, but it was not happening, and now it happened. You already made a temple. Someone at your place in your family wanted to go for sannyas, and you always craved for it, but it was not happening. All these kind of things. Some religious rituals you wanted to do, you wanted to start, you wanted to donate, and all those things, whatever, it will happen. But don't be angry, because जो आपके पीछे पड़े हुए हैं वो ज़िंदगी भर पीछे पड़े रहेंगे, क्योंकि लियो एसेंडेंट्स का ऐसा होता ही है. वेदर यू हैव एनीथिंग और नॉट, you look royal, you have something around you that people who are having double your money, double your prestige and everything, they are also jealous, and always they are poking you. So don't be headstrong. जो तुम हो अंदर से वही रहो, बाहर वालों को बोलने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. And now the Virgo ascendant, be very careful about Virgo ascendant, Virgo moon, be very careful about expenses. Don't lose your control over expenses. There might be situations till July, there might be 28 July, there might be situations when you have to spend a lot, mandatory, but don't spend just because you want to spend, okay? Because you know that Mercury being your ascendant lord, and Mars being your 3rd and 8th lord, Mars is not going to do any good in any way. So because it is your 3rd and 8th lord, so be very careful about all Virgo ascendant and moon signs. Be very careful. If you have even a stellium or a big conjunction in Virgo, then also you should be careful, okay? About expenses, control your expenses. And after Virgo, be careful about intimate relationships also very much. If you are not sure about someone, don't go for intimate relationship with them. And then Libra should be very careful about each and every friends, because it's your 11th house, Mars Ketu is there sitting, and you have to be very careful about each and every friend. Don't think anybody is your friend, because you are sharing something to someone, and some messages you are writing, and those messages are immediately forwarded to the person about whom you have told. Means you think A is your best friend, but A hurt you a lot, so you told it to B, and B has forwarded all the message to A. So it will happen for all Librans, because this Mars Ketu is sitting in 11th, and especially if your 11th lord Sun is debilitated, then be more careful, because it will definitely happen to almost all the male friends. I'm not talking about the female friends, because that is Venus. And I skipped Cancer. So every Cancer people also be very careful, because it is Mars Ketu is sitting in your second place. The second place is your speech. So are you speaking dirty? Sometimes it happens that in general also the Cancerians are very harsh. They talk very rude because Sun is sitting in the second place. So they always think that I am the king and they misbehave. Okay, so this time you are misbehaving and you are telling something which is lie about someone, and you are hurting someone by telling someone to something to someone. The result will be very bad because Mars Ketu will sit in your second place. In general also your second lord is Sun, so you are rude. But when Mars Ketu are sitting in your second place, then you might be talking too rude. And it's a moon, it's Lord is moon, so there are so many lies and layer of lies whatever you are telling about someone to someone else. Okay, so it will have very bad impact. You might be giving some false notion about someone and you are thinking that person does not know about anything, but sometimes it happens. Remember that you might need some help from the same person who has helped you before also, and you misbehaved, and this time you are telling lie about those to other people. Next time when you are in danger, these people will not help you, and the person who could have helped you will never help you again because you have done something very wrong to them. Okay, so now only 4 signs, other signs I'll tell later.